When it comes to adding transparency to diagnostic testing, there's nothing better than using the repair order section to do that. So we're going to look at this particular example, and we're going to go down to the scan engine part, and you can see that the technician has done a really good job putting some notes in here, and you can see the service writer has actually come in and done some editing on the notes and pictures. So now what we want to do is we want to be able to send this to the customer to help them understand what they're paying for. And to do that, what we're going to do is press the send button. Now what we're going to do is just send this section only of the repair order to the customer. We're going to uncheck the inspection results because they were sent to the customer earlier and we don't need to add any confusion. And now we're going to press the view and send. So now what you can see is this is wrapped up specifically just the testing part of the repair order, the notes on the tests that were done and what needs to be done about it, along with the pictures to go ahead and clarify to the customer what needs to be done. So before the cat, after the cat, it's telling them what's going on here. They can swipe through the rest of the pictures. Now you can see that it's comparing one bank to the other. And you can see here that they also did a smoke test to verify there's no leaks. So this is something we can do to add value to what we're sending to the customer and be able to collect more of these diagnostic and testing fees without everybody thinking that we just plug in the magical scan tool and that answers all the questions.